over 130 people have tragically lost their lives in the Bangladesh protest. Now let's talk about why the unrest. The protest centers around the system that reserves up to 30% of government positions for the descendants of veterans from the Bangladesh's 1971 War of Independence. Students argue that this system is outdated and unfairly benefits the ruling Awami League party, limiting opportunities for others. The Supreme Court of Bangladesh has made a landmark decision scrapping most of the quotas on the government jobs. The top court has ruled that only 5% of government jobs can be reserved for the relatives of the veterans. This decision comes as a significant victory for the protesters. As protests continue to grow, the future of Bangladesh hangs in the balance. Will the government fully implement these changes and listen to the voices of its youth demanding fairness? Only time will tell.